Next up you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to puff stitch 2 together. So this puff stitch is done slightly differently. It doesn't have as many loops as the full one, but the principle is still the same. You're going to yarn over, and this is a little bit tricky. You just have to sort of do best effort here. You've got these 3 puff stitches. You're going to aim your hook between the first 2, and you're going to pull up a loop. You've got 3, you're going to yarn over again, you're going to pull up another loop, and you have got 5. Now you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to jump straight between the next set of puff stitches and pull up a loop. So you're going to do that once, you're going to yarn over again, you're going to go through between the same 2 again, pull up another loop. So you only do that twice. So between each set we've done a slightly smaller puff stitch, but we've done both puff stitches partially, because then we're going to finish them both off at the same time. And then you're going to chain 4.